In this lesson, we will explore the critical role and importance of an exchange accommodation title, EAT, in facilitating reserved 1031 exchanges. Understanding the function and significance of an EAT is essential for investors seeking to leverage this strategy effectively in their estate transaction. So the role of an EAT in a reverse 1031 exchange is to facilitate property parking. Essentially, an EAT is a third-party entity that holds either the relinquished or the replacement property on behalf of the investor during the exchange process. This intermediary role is crucial for ensuring the compliance with IRS regulation and facilitating the seamless execution of reverse exchanges. One of the primary responsibilities of an EAT is to facilitate the parking of either the relinquished or replacement property. In reverse exchange, the investor might need to temporarily transfer ownership of one of the properties to the EAT to comply with IRS regulations. So the IRS regulation is you cannot hold two properties at the same time. That's why you need an EAT, right? So by holding the property on behalf of the investor, the EAT ensures that the exchange proceeds smoothly. Another crucial role of an EAT is to ensure compliance with IRS regulations governing like-kind exchanges. The EAT acts as a neutral party that oversees the exchange process, ensuring that all transactions adhere to relevant tax law and regulation. This includes managing the timing of the property transfer, document exchange transaction, and maintain accurate records for tax reporting purposes. Additionally, an EAT provides legal protection for both the investor and the exchange transaction. So by acting as a separate legal entity, the EAT shields the investor from potential liability associated with the exchange process. So this legal separation helps mitigate risk and provide peace of mind for investors engaging in complex real estate transactions. In conclusion, the Exchange Accommodation Titleholder, EAT, plays a central role in facilitating reserved 1031 exchanges by providing essential services such as property parking, compliance oversight, and legal protection. An EAT ensures the smooth execution of exchange transactions and enable investors to achieve their investment objective with confidence. With that, let's move on to the next video.